Hi, I'm Chef Manny.
I'm Chef Alex Dino.
Let's make it with miners.
Today we're making a vegetable bouillabaisse using the minor's vegetable reductions. It's gonna be fun.
Today, I will be showing you guys one of my childhood favorites, the omo rice. So let's get started.
Let's get to it. The coq bouillon, or the poaching liquid. This is what we're gonna use to cook all the beautiful vegetables here. First, water, lemongrass. We need onions. Mirin, some sake. Cheers. This is a tea infuser. We're gonna have thyme, garlic, peppercorn. Throw that in there. Lastly, get some bay leaves. That's your fundamentals to have a multi-layer poaching liquid.
So for this recipe today, it's actually very simple. Not a lot of ingredients, but a lot of flavor. So we have carrots, shallot, oyster mushrooms, parsley, some rice, and of course, you can't forget the eggs. Also have our miners classical reduction reduced vegetable stock that will be turning into a demi-glace. Quick and easy, speed scratch, efficient, and nostalgic flavors. Right here, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make the demi-glace because I just have the reduction here. I just add some water. I'm gonna do a little stir and then get that heated on the stove. One hit of this in your taste buds and it's just gonna be a flavor bomb.
So now we have the main components of the actual vegetables. So we got the bok choy, the calabasa, the potato medley, the collini, the sayote, and this daikon. We're gonna poach each of them one by one. You can poach them in advance and then re-poach them before service. That alone on each component, you already have tons of flavors.
Now that we have our pan ripping hot, we'll add some oil to it. We'll add the carrots, the shallots, and the mushrooms. We're just tossing, get a little bit of crisp on it, and then toss it again. So you don't want to let it sit too long because you don't want to burn it.
Now we're making the actual bouillabaisse sauce. First up, a little bit of oil, fennels, garlic, saffron, a little bit of white wine. Let it cook for a few minutes. We're gonna get some of this coq bouillon to add another layers of flavor. And then next, the vegetable reductions. There is really so much muscle into that vegetable reduction. So that alone, elevating the entire dish.
About halfway done, I'm going to actually add a little bit of vegan butter. Now that the butter's melted, we'll add in the rice. I like to use day-old rice. It kind of dries out a little bit more, a little bit less moisture. So I break up the rice a little bit here. Now, get to show you, look at that vegetable demi right there. Perfect. So we'll add a couple spoonfuls, just enough to coat the rice.
Now we can see we're almost done with the sauce. So we just have to season it. Salt, lemon juice. Oh, yeah, baby. So now we got the sauce ready to go. All we need to do is actually strain it.
So we'll slowly put the finished fried rice into the mold. Nice little beautiful mold right there. Crack some eggs in. And the key here is that you want to kind of scramble it as you go. But you want to make sure that you want to go back and forth on and off the heat so that you have even cooking, because the most important part here is that the egg on the outside is soft while the inside is a nice, gooey, delicious egg.
Let's put it together. First, we're gonna have some of this daikon, bok choy, sayote, beets, calabasa, collini, a touch of this potato. Drop the bomb.
Roll it up. Make sure the bottom is nice. And then so we'll place the omelet perfectly on top of the rice, cut straight through the center, and then it just reveals this absolutely silky smooth egg. And we take the demi-glace that we made before, spoon a couple of spoons right over the top, and sprinkle with some fresh parsley. Chef Dino, can you try this dish for me?
Thank you, Chef. Chef Manny.
Wow. Look at that 3 Michelin star level dish right there. That's absolutely gorgeous, Chef.
Wow. This brings back memory. This is really good.
Oh, oh wow. So flavorful, but then you add the reduction to it and it just takes it to the next level. Absolutely phenomenal, well balanced, chef.
Grandma, are you here?
Hmm.
Really good.